Now finally, our threaded inserts. Now these go in a little bit differently than the T-nuts and the insert nuts. These actually screw in, and you can see it has a little hex drive there to screw it in. They also come with a slotted drive. I don't recommend getting the slotted head. Those have a tendency to snap. The hex drive head is definitely the way to go. So let's drill a hole and screw this thing in. Sometimes you gotta put some downward pressure on it to get it to grab. Okay, we're in. Let's thread in our screw. There you go. Nice and strong.